Hello guys and welcome to this YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to remove the background from an image using the pen tool in Photoshop. Now let's get started. Let's open Adobe Photoshop. I am using Adobe Photoshop 2020. We'll now create a new document. I'm going to call mine pen tool _ project. Let's use the default photo size. Now let's drag the image we want to remove its background and drop it in our document. Resize the image to fit the document or your own specification. Now unlock and delete the background layer. Select the pen tool from the toolbox. You can zoom in for a more detailed trace. You can use Ctrl+= to zoom in. Now we will create a mask of the object using the pen tool. Now right-click and select Make Selection from the menu. Change the feather radius to 0.5. Now go to the menu bar and click on Select and then now click on Select and Mask. The background has now been removed. Change the output to a new layer. You can adjust the radius to about 2. Select OK. So now you can change the background to anything you want. I'm going to use a solid color background to demonstrate. You can make any changes you want to the background and export it.